Abak4K Tech is here. Today I will show you top 3 newest update from WhatsApp. Number 1, now you can send photos in HD on WhatsApp. To do that, just go to your WhatsApp, go to any chat on WhatsApp, and then click the camera icon, go to your gallery and choose the photo. After you select the photo, then toggle that HD icon. Then choose the highest quality and send photo. Now you send the photo in HD quality on WhatsApp. The second update, now you can report any spamming message on WhatsApp. If you think some people used to scam many people with that message, you can report that message direct to the WhatsApp. After WhatsApp will receive that report, they will remove that message, and also they can even ban that person that used to scam people. And this way, you help many people from scamming them. The third update, now on WhatsApp you can use single WhatsApp app to register multiple number inside a single app. This means that in the first releasing of WhatsApp, we usually download WhatsApp app and then register app with single phone number. So for now, you can register multiple phone number with one single WhatsApp app. So to do that, go to your WhatsApp after you register with the first number and then go to sign in with another account. So now you can do that as similar to Telegram. So that are the newest update from WhatsApp. Guys, don't forget to like this video, share it to friends and family, and follow me for more video like this. Thank you. See you very soon.